On February 9, 2024, a Bombardier CL-600 business jet experienced a double-engine failure on approach to Naples Airport, Florida, leading to a tragic emergency landing on the I-75 highway. This event shook the aviation community due to the unique circumstances surrounding it. This is the video that uncovers what happened that day. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth air crash investigations. As we can see in the video, the jet was flying a routine business trip when both engines failed suddenly, just 5 kilometers northeast of Naples Airport. The pilots, realizing they couldn't reach the runway, were forced to make a split-second decision. They opted for a risky emergency landing on the highway. This decision was likely influenced by the lack of nearby open fields and the dangerous terrain. Double-engine failures on modern jets like the CL-600 are extremely rare. Preliminary investigations point toward potential fuel contamination or an issue with the fuel system. Both engines shutting down simultaneously could indicate improper fuel management, mechanical failure, or foreign object ingestion. As the aircraft descended, the crew executed emergency procedures to minimize casualties, but the highway landing had devastating consequences. During the final approach, the jet collided with a truck, which resulted in the plane losing control and catching fire upon impact with a concrete barrier. Unfortunately, both pilots lost their lives, while 3 passengers miraculously survived the fire and wreckage. This incident underscores the importance of thorough fuel system checks and highlights the risks involved in off-airport landings. The investigation is ongoing, and more details about the exact cause are expected to emerge in the coming months. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you love aviation safety and air crash investigation.